Okay, welcome back. So it's been an interesting couple weeks here between the stock market and crypto and them essentially crashing. And this might have you feeling sort of a wave of overwhelm, a feeling of not knowing where to look, where to go next. And I just want to let you know that's completely normal, right? It happens to the best of us. This happens when markets move. This happens when life happens that you didn't expect to, or you kind of break one of your own personal rules or guidelines and end up, overwhelmed or burnt out. So the key in your trading and the key in life is to come back to your plan. So in life, we don't necessarily have written plans of life, right? But we do have guiding rules. So for example, for me this week, I broke one of my rules. I had meetings on Monday. I don't usually ever have meetings on Monday, but I had more than one. And then when one ran late and then the other thing happened, it totally threw me off. And it didn't allow what for me is Monday to be a day to catch up from the weekend, to have any spillover if on the weekend I did a little bit more than usual. So breaking personal rules is not something that will help you in these times. So it's important to have a practice of sticking to them. Another thing is to focus on what you must do that only you can do, right? So sometimes there's going to be things that you have to do, like me, exercising right now, right? Nobody can do this for me. I cannot delegate out my heart health or managing weight or anything like that. I've got to do it. Great. Well, then that makes clear that X amount of time in the day and X amount of energy has to go to that thing that is important, very important, the most important in my case, and that needs to be done by me. But there's also a bunch of other stuff that doesn't need to be done or isn't that important or that I can get help with, all right? Whether you live alone, whether you're part of a family, whether you have kids, whether you're single, it doesn't matter. The world is full of resources and people and teams and groups to help us. If you are not able to find the help in your personal world, go to a Facebook group, right? Members, the one we have. Go to a community forum of like-minded thinkers. There's just lots of options for you. And I would say the biggest one is that when you are having mental overwhelm or emotional or psychological overwhelm or panic or not knowing what to do, change your physical position. This is actually a tip I got from one of the earliest traders in the tribe, and it's somebody I became friends with. And when she said that, it really stuck with me. And ever since then, if I've had any sort of overwhelm, anxiety, feeling like there's too much going on and I don't know what to do next, first thing I try to do is change my physical position. That can be as simple as going and doing an errand, when I've got an opening, or better yet, getting in that exercise, getting in that physical activity, which literally changes your hormones and your chemicals floating around your body and can help you reset. So this is a little different than some of my posts because I'm not giving you the next hot trading tip. I'm not telling you exactly what to do with this market crash. I will be sharing a lot of that technical information in this week's coaching calls. So I've got my swing trading lab today, I've got futures trading lab on Thursday, and in between I've got my advanced group coaching, and I'm happy to get into all the technical awesomeness with you there. I just wanted to remind you about these three factors, and go back, listen to this again, listen to it a few times if you have to, but make sure that you are not breaking your own personal rules. Make sure that you are doing the things that you must do, that only you can do first, right, above all else. And make sure that you are aware of your being and your state so that if it kind of hits one of those markers and those triggers, a physical change, again, even just getting up out of your chair, simple as that, can really help turn things around, okay? I'm here with you, I'm here for you, and I look forward to continuing to help you transform your trading. And remember to subscribe, like, and follow, and I'll catch you next time.